Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest product reviews. In today's video, we're going to talk about a game changer for your kitchen, the Rust-Oleum Marble Countertop Coating Kit in white. If you're looking to refresh your kitchen cabinets and countertops with a beautiful white finish that complements white quartz countertops, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The Rust-Oleum Marble Countertop Coating Kit is designed to transform the look of outdated countertops with a faux marble effect. This kit is perfect for those seeking a cost-effective way to upgrade their kitchen aesthetics. With its easy three-step application process, it provides a stunning matte white finish with gray veining that mimics real marble. The kit covers an impressive 75 to 100 square feet per kit, making it suitable for various countertop surfaces. No need for stripping, sanding, or priming, which simplifies the countertop refresh process. The watercolor-based formula ensures excellent adhesion and durability. A satin top coat offers maximum wear and stain resistance, providing long-lasting protection. Once applied, it's ready for full use after just 24 hours. Apply the ultra-white base coat evenly on your countertop. Create your custom veining pattern using the gray veining paint. Practice on cardboard before applying to your countertop for best results. Seal the deal with a satin top coat for added protection and a beautiful finish. After the transformation, you'll have a stunning, marble-like finish that complements your white quartz countertops perfectly. The matte finish gives your kitchen a modern and elegant look. With the added protection of the satin top coat, your countertops will be more resistant to wear and stains. We've scoured the web for user reviews, and it seems customers have had mixed experiences. Some users were thrilled with the results, while others found the veining process a bit tricky. It's essential to follow the instructions carefully and practice before applying the veining paint. To achieve the best results, make sure your countertops are clean and dry before starting. Take your time during the veining process to create a pattern that suits your style. Apply a second coat of the top coat for added durability if needed. We've also found some alternative countertop coating kits for you to consider, so stay tuned. In conclusion, the Rust-Oleum Marble Countertop Coating Kit is a cost-effective way to revamp your kitchen with a stunning white marble-like finish. While the application process may require some practice, the results can be truly impressive. If you're ready to transform your kitchen cabinets and countertops, this kit could be an excellent choice for you. That's it for today's review of the Rust-Oleum Marble Countertop Coating Kit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.